Welcome to Grade 3 Science, Chapter 3, Session 4 Creatures. Let's revise. Who makes food for all the living organisms? Do you remember? We discussed this in the previous session. Yes, plants. Name the organism that decomposes dead plants and animals. Yes, decomposers like bacteria, fungi are the organisms which decompose dead plants and animals. And what do you call the transfer of energy from one organism to another in a sequence as shown in the image? Can you recall the term? Yes, that is called a food chain. Now, let's move ahead. Our world is full of many other creatures. There are insects and other crawling animals. Let's learn more about insects in this video. All insects have three parts of the body and three pairs of legs. They can fly and eat any kind of food. Structure of insects. Body of an insect is divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Head bears a pair of eyes, a pair of antennae, and the mouth. Thorax is the middle part of the body. It bears three pairs of legs. This part also has two pairs of wings. Abdomen is the lower part of the body. The whole body of an insect is covered with tiny sensory hair. Let's learn about a butterfly now. Butterflies have two pairs of bright and colored wings, two antennae, and six legs. They are commonly found in fields, gardens, and forests. They feed on the nectar of the flowers. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers come in group and attack the food crops and leaves of the plants. They destroy and damage crops. Mosquito. A female mosquito feeds on blood of animals or humans. Mosquito breeds in water collected in pits and open containers. They cause diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and chikungunya. Cockroach. Cockroach usually come out in the night. They feed on anything available like human food, leather, etc. They spread diseases like cholera and dysentery. Bees. Bees live in a beehive. A single beehive has thousands of bees. It has one queen bee who lays eggs. Male bees are also known as drones, and they help to produce more bees. Worker bees go out to collect nectar from flowers. Ants. Ants live in groups or colonies. In each colony, there is one queen ant who lays eggs. The other ants are soldier ants who go out in search of food. During the summer season, the soldier ants work very hard and store food for the winter season. It feeds on most of the eatables such as rice, wheat, syrup, and honey. Let's do an exercise. Read the clues and identify the organisms. First, they have pair of bright and colored wings. Second, they come in groups and attack the food crops. Third, they feed on human blood and breed in water collected in pits or open containers. Fourth, they come out in night and feed on anything available. You may pause the video to write their responses. Here are the answers. You may check your responses here and find out How many of them did you get correct? You may also pause the video if necessary. Let's do a quick check. For the following sentences, show a thumbs up for true and a thumbs down for false statement. First, the whole body of an insect is covered with tiny sensory hair. Second, butterflies have two pair of wings, two antennae, and six legs. Third, mosquitoes can cause diseases like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. Fourth, cockroaches come out in day and feed on human food. Fifth, male bees go out to collect nectar from flowers. Here are the answers. You may check your responses here and find out how many of them and learning from the video. Until the next session, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning. Thank you.